If you don't like boring science but still love cool experiments, then stick around because today we have something truly magical in store for you. We're diving into the world of glowing slime. Imagine creating something that not only feels amazing to play with but also lights up in the dark. It's like having a piece of the night sky right in your hands. So, if you're ready to mix some science with a dash of magic, let's get started, because we're making glowing slime today. This isn't just any slime, it's slime that glows in the dark, making it perfect for impressing your friends or just having a blast in a dark room. The best part? It's super easy to make, and you probably already have most of the ingredients at home. So gather around and let's get our hands a little messy. First up, gather your magical ingredients, clear glue, baking soda, and a few other special items that will make your slime glow like a starry night. The clear glue is the base of our slime, giving it that stretchy, gooey texture we all love. Baking soda helps to thicken the mixture, making it just the right consistency for playing. But the real magic comes from our next ingredients: saline solution with boric acid, which acts as a binding agent, bringing all the ingredients together to form that perfect slime texture. This is what makes the slime stretchy and fun to play with. Without it, our slime would just be a sticky mess. So make sure you have this essential ingredient on hand, and some glow-in-the-dark paint or powder. This is where the magic happens. The glow-in-the-dark paint or powder will absorb light and then release it slowly, creating that mesmerizing glow. You can find these at most craft stores or online. Choose your favorite color or mix a few to create a unique glowing masterpiece. Oh, and don't forget a mixing bowl and spoon. Got everything? Awesome. Let's dive in. Having the right tools makes the process so much easier and more fun. A good mixing bowl will help you combine all the ingredients without making a huge mess, and a sturdy spoon will make stirring a breeze. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started on our glowing slime adventure. Start by pouring that clear glue into your bowl. This is the foundation of our slime, and it's important to get it just right. Pour slowly and make sure you get every last drop out of the bottle. The more glue you use, the more slime you'll have to play with later. So don't be shy. Pour it all in. Next, add a teaspoon of baking soda. This might not seem like much, but it's a crucial step. The baking soda will react with the saline solution later on, helping to thicken the slime and give it that perfect, stretchy texture. Make sure to measure it out carefully and sprinkle it evenly over the glue. Give it a good stir until it's all mixed up. This is where the magic starts to happen. As you stir, you'll notice the mixture beginning to thicken. Keep stirring until the baking soda is fully incorporated and the mixture is smooth. This might take a few minutes, but it's worth it to get that perfect slime consistency. Now comes the fun part. Add a heap of glow-in-the-dark paint or powder. This is where you can get creative. Add as much or as little as you like, depending on how bright you want your slime to glow. You can even mix different colors to create a rainbow effect. Just remember, the more you add, the brighter your slime will be. Mix it up real well so the glow particles get everywhere. This step is crucial to ensure that your slime glows evenly. Take your time and make sure the paint or powder is fully incorporated into the mixture. You don't want any clumps or uneven spots. The more you mix, the better your slime will glow. Time to bring it all together. Slowly add the saline solution while stirring. This is where the magic really happens. As you add the saline solution, you'll notice the mixture starting to come together and form slime. Add it slowly and keep stirring until you reach the desired consistency. If it's too sticky, add a little more saline solution. If it's too stiff, add a bit more glue. Keep at it until it turns into that stretchy, gooey slime we all love. This might take a few minutes, but don't give up. Keep stirring and adding saline solution until you get the perfect slime texture. It should be stretchy and fun to play with, but not too sticky. Once you reach the right consistency, you're ready for the next step. To make it glow, charge your slime under a bright light for a few minutes. This is where the magic of phosphorescence comes into play. The glow-in-the-dark particles will absorb the light and then release it slowly, creating that mesmerizing glow. Hold your slime under a bright light for a few minutes to charge it up. The longer you charge it, the brighter it will glow. Turn off the lights and boom, watch your slime glow like fireflies on a summer night. It's truly magical to see your creation come to life in the dark. The glow is not only beautiful, but also a testament to the science behind it. Show it off to your friends and family and watch their faces light up with amazement. The glow stuff absorbs light and then slowly releases it, causing that magical glow, called phosphorescence. This is the same principle that makes glow-in-the-dark stars and toys work. It's a fascinating process that combines chemistry and physics to create something truly magical. The particles in the paint or powder absorb the light energy and then release it slowly over time, creating that beautiful glow. And the slime, it's a polymer with long, stretchy chains of molecules. Science is cool, right? These long chains of molecules are what give the slime its stretchy, gooey texture. When you pull on the slime, the chains stretch out, and when you let go, they snap back into place. It's a perfect example of how science can create fun and fascinating materials. And there you have it, your very own glowing slime. You've just created something that's not only fun to play with, but also a great example of science in action. Show it off to your friends and family and explain the science behind it. They'll be amazed at what you've created. Try different colors or add some glitter for extra pizzazz. The possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different colors of glow-in-the-dark paint or powder, or add some glitter to make your slime sparkle. Get creative and see what amazing combinations you can come up with. The more you experiment, the more fun you'll have. Thanks for joining us on Magical Science Experiments. We hope you had as much fun making glowing slime as we did. Science is all about exploring and discovering new things, and we hope this experiment has inspired you to keep learning and experimenting. There's so much more to discover, and we can't wait to share more exciting experiments with you. See y'all next time for more science fun. We've got a lot of exciting experiments lined up, and we can't wait to share them with you. From making your own volcano to creating a mini tornado, there's always something new and exciting to discover in the world of science. So stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you next time for more magical science fun. Welcome back, science enthusiasts. If you loved making glowing slime in our last chapter, you're in for a real treat. Today we're diving even deeper into the magical world of glow-in-the-dark slime. Get ready for Chapter 2, more glowing slime experiments. In this chapter, we'll explore different ways to make glowing slime using various ingredients and techniques. So, grab your lab coats and let's get started. First up, we're going to try using tonic water instead of glow-in-the-dark paint. Did you know that tonic water glows under a black light? It's all thanks to a chemical called quinine. Quinine has the magical ability to absorb ultraviolet light and then re-emit it as visible light, creating a stunning blue glow. To make this slime, you'll need clear glue, baking soda, saline solution, and tonic water. Just replace the water in our original recipe with tonic water and voila! You've got a new kind of glowing slime that's perfect for black light parties. Next, let's experiment with fluorescent highlighters. These brightly colored markers contain special ink that glows under black lights. Carefully open up a highlighter and remove the ink-soaked felt inside. Soak the felt in a small amount of water until the water becomes brightly colored. Then use this glowing water to make your slime. The result? A slime that glows in vibrant neon colors under a black light. It's a dazzling effect that's sure to impress. Now let's get a little more adventurous. How about making magnetic glowing slime? For this experiment, you'll need iron filings or magnetic powder, along with your usual slime ingredients and glow-in-the-dark paint. Mix the iron filings into your slime mixture before adding the saline solution. Once your slime is ready, you can use a magnet to move and shape it in all sorts of fascinating ways. And when you turn off the lights, watch your magnetic slime glow and dance under the influence of the magnet. It's like having a magical glowing creature right in your hands. Finally, let's add some sparkle to our glowing slime with glitter. You can use any kind of glitter you like, but we recommend using holographic or iridescent glitter for the best effect. Mix the glitter into your slime along with the glow-in-the-dark paint or powder. The result is a slime that not only glows in the dark, but also sparkles and shines like a galaxy of stars. It's a beautiful and mesmerizing effect that's perfect for adding a touch of magic to any room. And there you have it, 4 new ways to make glowing slime. Each experiment brings its own unique twist to the classic slime recipe, allowing you to explore the magical world of glowing slime in new and exciting ways. We hope you enjoyed these experiments and feel inspired to try them out yourself. Remember, science is all about exploration and discovery, so don't be afraid to get creative and come up with your own unique slime recipes. Thanks for joining us on this glowing adventure. Stay tuned for more magical science experiments and remember to keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun. See you next time. Welcome back, science enthusiasts. In our previous chapters, we created some mesmerizing glowing slime and experimented with different ingredients. Now it's time to uncover the mysteries behind the magic. Welcome to Chapter 3, the science behind glowing slime. So, why does our slime glow? The secret lies in a fascinating process called luminescence. Luminescence is the emission of light by a substance that has absorbed energy. There are different types of luminescence, but for our glowing slime, we're particularly interested in two: fluorescence and phosphorescence. First, let's talk about fluorescence. Fluorescent materials, like the ink from highlighters or tonic water containing quinine, absorb ultraviolet light and then re-emit it as visible light. This process happens almost instantaneously, which is why the glow appears as soon as you shine a black light on the slime. The molecules in these substances are excited by the UV light and then quickly release that energy in the form of visible light, creating a stunning glow. Next up is phosphorescence, which is a bit different. Phosphorescent materials, such as glow-in-the-dark paint or powder, also absorb light, but they release it much more slowly. This slow release allows the material to continue glowing even after the light source is removed. This is why your glow-in-the-dark slime continues to shine even when you turn off the lights. The molecules in phosphorescent materials store the absorbed energy and gradually release it, creating a longer-lasting glow. Now let's break down the role of different ingredients in our slime recipes. Clear glue is our base, providing the perfect medium for the luminescent materials to disperse evenly. Baking soda acts as a buffer, helping to maintain the right pH level for the chemical reactions to occur. Saline solution contains borate ions, which help the glue molecules to cross-link and form the stretchy, slimy texture we love. When we add tonic water, highlighter ink, or glow-in-the-dark paint to our slime, we're introducing luminescent materials that react to light. The specific type of luminescence depends on the material we're using, whether it's the quick, vibrant glow of fluorescence or the slow, steady shine of phosphorescence. But what about our magnetic glowing slime? The iron filings or magnetic powder don't just make the slime move with a magnet. They also contribute to the overall visual effect. When combined with glow-in-the-dark paint, the magnetic particles can create a dynamic, interactive experience that feels like you're controlling a living, glowing organism. And let's not forget the glitter. While it doesn't contribute to the luminescence, glitter adds a layer of sparkle and visual interest, making the slime even more enchanting. Holographic or iridescent glitter can reflect light in different ways, enhancing the overall glow and creating a shimmering, magical effect. So there you have it, the science behind glowing slime. Understanding the chemical reactions and the role of each ingredient not only makes the process more fascinating, but also empowers you to experiment and create your own unique glowing slime recipes. Science is all about curiosity and discovery, so keep exploring and have fun with your experiments. Thanks for joining us on this illuminating journey. Stay tuned for more magical science experiments, and remember to keep asking questions, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun. See you next time. Welcome back, science enthusiasts. In this final chapter, we will summarize what we have learned about glowing slime and share some fun facts about slime and its uses in science and entertainment. First, let's recap our glowing slime adventure. We started by creating some mesmerizing glowing slime using various luminescent materials. We then experimented with different ingredients to see how they affect the glow and texture. Finally, we delved into the science behind the magic, exploring the fascinating processes of fluorescence and phosphorescence. But did you know that slime has been around for a long time and has many interesting uses? Here are some fun facts about slime that you might not know. 1. Some animals, like the hagfish, produce slime as a defense mechanism. When threatened, hagfish release a thick, sticky slime that can clog the gills of predators, allowing them to escape. 1. Scientists have been studying slime molds for their potential in medical research. Slime molds can solve complex problems and find the shortest paths in mazes, making them interesting subjects for studying neural networks and other biological processes. 1. Slime has been a popular special effect in movies and TV shows. One of the most famous uses of slime is in the movie Ghostbusters, where ectoplasm, a fictional ghostly slime, plays a significant role. 1. Playing with slime can be a great way to relieve stress. The tactile sensation of stretching, squishing, and molding slime can be soothing and help improve focus and concentration. 1. In 2019, NASA sent slime to the International Space Station to see how it behaves in microgravity. The experiment aimed to educate students about the properties of fluids in space and inspire the next generation of scientists. As we conclude our glowing slime journey, remember that science is all about curiosity and exploration. Whether you're making slime at home, conducting experiments, or just having fun, there's always something new to discover. Thank you for joining us on this illuminating adventure. We hope you've enjoyed learning about glowing slime as much as we have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more magical science experiments. And as always, keep asking questions, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun. See you next time.